Error 1001, also known as Connection Error 1001, is a client-server communication failure in League of Legends. When you see the message, "There was an error connecting to the server. Please check your internet connection and try again." Error code 1001. It means your device can't establish or maintain a stable connection to Riot's game or authentication servers. This isn't typically a bug in the game itself, but rather a symptom of underlying issues. Here are the common causes: network instability, firewall or antivirus interference, DNS resolution problems, server-side outages, or corrupted game files. Network instability such as packet loss, high latency, ISP problems during peak hours, and throttling. Firewall or antivirus interference blocking League's traffic. DNS resolution problems, preventing your computer from finding Riot's servers. Occasional server-side outages, or corrupted game files on your computer. Error 1001 accounts for about 15 to 20% of all in-game errors, being highest in regions with unstable internet. Fixing Error 1001 involves systematically addressing the potential causes. Start with basic checks. Restart your game client, router, and computer. Ensure your internet speed meets the game's requirements, around 5 megabyte per download and upload. Next, flush your DNS cache using ipconfig flush DNS on Windows or sudo dis cache util flush cache on macOS. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, as they might be blocking League of Legends. Use the Hextech repair tool, available from Riot, to repair any corrupted game files. For advanced troubleshooting, try changing your DNS server to a public one like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Disabling VPNs and overlays like Discord may also resolve the issue. If the error persists after these steps, gather logs from your game client and submit a support ticket to Riot Games. These steps resolve 65% of Error 1001 cases.